Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Accord key fob here. It works for these models here, 2013 and 2017, and you don't need any fancy tools. You only need one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you do that, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove the mechanical key, turn the fob like this to the bottom, right here. And now in the space between these two pieces over here, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here in this space. And now when you do that, now twist it a little bit, rotate and push, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. This is the whole idea here. And when you do that, make sure this side with the buttons is facing down, because you can very easily lose these buttons. Alright, and when you do that, right after that, here you will see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and now push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.